Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today in this video, I will show you how to print numbers from 1 to till the given number. In the previous video, I already shown you how to print numbers till given number. But in this video, in the similar program, I will show you how to print the given numbers side by side like this. So let's get started. First observe the code, later on I will explain. Yeah, we are done. Now we need to save the file. Click on File, click on Save As. Now we need to enter file name. For suppose end.py. We need to save the Python file with the extension .py. File name .py. Click on Save. Now we need to open command prompt to execute the program. Type cmd, give the path cd space desktop, enter dictionary. Now type file name with the extension .py, enter. Now we need to enter any number. For suppose 8. See, the numbers are printed in the line 1 space 2 space 3 space like that. Now I will explain the code. Here, first line of code is used to enter a number by the user. Like you have seen before, enter a number 8 like that. And later on, x equal to 0 while x less than n. It will check the value of x 0 less than given number is 8. So 0 less than 8 or not. If the statement is true, then it will enter the loop. Now it is entering the loop and incrementing the value of x by 1. So now the value of x is 1. So it will print x value as 1. You can see over here 1. And here end equal to, we have given space over here. So that after printing n, after printing the value of n equal to 1, it will give 1 space. And later on it will move the loop. While 1 less than 8, it will enter the loop. Because 1 less than 8 is the true. If the statement is true, it will enter the loop. Now it will increment the value by 1. Now the value of x is 2. It will print 2. You can see here 2. And it will give 1 space. And again it will repeat all for this. And coming to last step 8. 8 less than 8. The statement is false. So it will exit the loop. I will copy paste the output. Yeah, in this way we need to print numbers from 1 to given number side by side. In the next program, I will show you how to print the numbers in the format 1 comma, 2 comma, 3 comma, like that till n. But we will get comma at the end. And I will also show you how to overcome that problem. Like our desired output should be 1 comma, 2 comma, 3 comma, so on till the given number, full stop. Like this output we need to get. In the next program, I will show you how to do this. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting coding topics and more interesting coding programs. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling and keep coding.